Today, we're diving into something that's inside you, me, and basically every living thing on Earth: DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. At its core, DNA is like the ultimate instruction manual. Imagine a super detailed, incredibly complex set of plans that tells an organism how to grow, function, and even look the way it does. Your eye color, hair type, skin color, that's all in your DNA. This instruction manual is stored within the cells of every living thing, whether it's a tiny bacterium, a towering oak tree, or yes, even you. The main job of DNA is to make proteins. Proteins do pretty much everything from building our muscles and hair to helping us digest food, fight off infections, and carry out countless other essential tasks. You got your DNA from your parents, half from your mom, half from your dad, and it makes you you. Now, where do we find this DNA? Almost all cells in the human body contain DNA. Inside each of our cells, there's a central control room called the nucleus, and this is where DNA resides. So what does DNA look like? Picture a long, winding ladder twisted into a spiral shape. This iconic shape is known as the double helix. Two strands intertwine, held together by chemical connections. The sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate molecules, and the steps are made of chemical bases. There are 4 of these bases, and we use just the first letters to remember them. A is adenine, T is thymine, C is cytosine, and G is guanine. And here's the cool part: A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. Different sequences of these bases create different instructions, which we call genes. So, DNA is the entire instruction manual, and genes are the specific recipes within that manual for making all the different proteins our bodies need. Now, you might be wondering how this massive amount of information fits into the tiny nucleus of a cell. Well, DNA is incredibly long, but it's also expertly organized. It's packed up tightly into X-shaped bundles called chromosomes. DNA is truly a remarkable molecule. It's the foundation of heredity, the reason why offspring resemble their parents. It's the key to understanding genetic diseases, developing new medical treatments, and even unlocking the secrets of our evolutionary past.